Hello guys, it's me, Abir. Today I will show you a site where you have to do no tasks. Just create an account and log in to get $5 for free. Recently, I have taken a withdrawal from the site. First of all, you will find the link in my video description. Just click the link. Then, you need to put in a username, your number, and your email address, set a password, and confirm it. Now log into the account. The mining will start automatically. You can withdraw once a month, and the minimum withdrawal is $2. You will earn $0.05 daily, but you can increase it by referring your friends. You can see my withdrawal history. I am showing you my Trust wallet for extra proof. Hopefully, you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel. If you face any problems, you can tell me on Telegram. The link is in the description. I will meet you with another new video. Till then, take care and say goodbye.